name is Yvonne. Welcome to today's video. When the world is adding more and more renewables, we need something scalable and efficient. That's what Haohan delivers. Now follow me, I want to show you something about it. So this is a 1:5 scale model of Haohan, our next generation energy storage system. Reliable, powerful, super safe, pretty much everything you expect. But the real magic is something inside Haohan. Honestly, you will never see a battery like this. This is our 2710 amp hour blade battery model. Yeah, it's really huge. Take a closer look. The length, the structure, everything about it is big. But it really excels with its capacity, which is the key for us to cram more energy into less space. Alright, here's me. Here's the super long blade battery. From above, massive. From below, even bigger. And lifting it? Yeah, not happening. Thanks to this super long blade battery, the energy density is significantly increased. It cuts the number of battery cells by over 70%, so Haohan can pack an amazing 10 megawatt-hour of energy into a 20-foot container. So that's all for today's video. Stay tuned, we got way more to share.